So for me, if I'm eating a biryani or some sort of rice like that, I love this. I love a nice yogurt, a spiced yogurt. Today I'm going to make 4 easy ones, really simple. Tomato, carrot, beetroot and cucumber. Delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is beetroot. So what I've got there is a cup of beetroot, cut really small, and I boiled it. It was, raw, so I peeled it and boiled it really, really small. 1 cup of yogurt or curd. I've got maybe 2 teaspoons there of cumin seeds, some curry leaves, just a few, fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you're going to call that. And then, I don't know, is that half a teaspoon? Half a teaspoon of chili and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this one. So easy. So 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Now what's important to do is mix it and get it nice and smooth. Just give it a little beat in and it smooths out, otherwise it gets lumpy. We're going to do this with all of them. So yeah, back in a moment. And that I'm going to add the beetroot. I mean, this might be a lot of beetroot for this amount of yogurt, but I like it nice and thick. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, the chili and the cumin powder, fresh cilantro. Give that a mix. Again, back in maybe a minute or so. So here I've got a small little frying pan. Got some oil in there. You can use any oil you want. Mustard oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil. Entirely up to you. We're going to drop in those small amount of the cumin seeds. And then the curry leaves. Just a few seconds, off goes the heat. We're going to pour that over our beetroot and yogurt. And then we're going to give this a mix. And it's done. I'm very happy with that. Okay, so this one is possibly the easiest one out of all the ones we're making today. So again, I've got 1 cup of curd or yogurt, cucumber, which I've taken the skin off and cut really small. If you want, you could salt that, leave it for a bit and then get the moisture out of it. I like it just like that. I've got a 1/4 cup of coriander or cilantro, the same of fresh mint, chopped green fresh chili. You might not want to add that amount. I like it quite hot, that one. And the key to this really is the green chutney. That stuff there. Beautiful. So once again, we start by beating and mixing our yogurt to make it nice and smooth. Only takes a few seconds. Just get all those lumps out. And then we're simply going to add the cucumber, the coriander, the fresh mint, the fresh chili, and you can really play around with all of these amounts. A little bit of salt. And then I've got 3 teaspoons here of the green chutney, which, like I say, is the kind of key really. A little mix, and this one's done. Okay, here's our third one. So again, 1 cup of yogurt or curd, 1 cup of carrot, grated nice and small. Got a few cashews there raw, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, a teaspoon of chili powder, and just a few curry leaves. So once more, we're going to smooth out by whisking the curd or yogurt. Get the lumps out. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add that teaspoon of chili powder and the 1 cup of the carrot grated. And like I said, with all of these, you can really play around with them and get it exactly how you like. So again, we're going to do a little bit of tempering for this one. Some oil in there, maybe a tablespoon of oil max. In goes the black mustard seeds and the cashews, or peanuts. You could use peanuts if you wanted. To that now, the curry leaves. About 30-40 seconds. Keep it moving. I'm going to pour this on to the carrot yogurt. We're going to mix that in. And again, this is job done. Let's just do one more, the final one. Okay, so the last one, here we go. So 1 cup yogurt or curd, 1 cup tomatoes cut really nice and small, and I took all the seeds out as well. Cilantro, coriander, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Here we've got half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1.5 teaspoons of chaat masala. That is chaat masala, you can pick it up in the store. Tiny amount of lemon juice, I mean like a teaspoon maybe. And then 2 teaspoons there of cumin seeds. You know the drill. So again, with the 1 cup, we're smoothing out. Then we're going to go salt. That tiny amount of lemon juice. Like I say, it's a teaspoon. A couple of tablespoons of chopped onion. The 1 cup of tomato. The cilantro or coriander. And then half a teaspoon of the chili powder, cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of chaat masala. Some people put water into the yogurt as well, mix it around, thin it out a bit, you know. I like it nice and thick, and I like it really chunky. And like I say, you can really play around with these and get it just how you like. Okay, so we're going to get to the cooker, sort out those cumin seeds, and we're done. So back to the small pan, some oil in there, maybe a couple of tablespoons. Some people would use less. Any oil you like. In go the cumin seeds, and we're going to just let them do their thing in the oil. They'll infuse the oil and give it a lovely flavour. That's going to go onto the tomato and yogurt, and then this one is done as well. Beautiful. Little mix, and there you go. We've made 4 now, haven't we? We've done the cucumber, the tomato one here, the carrot, and the beetroot. Super fab. There you go, have a look at all 4. So tomato, carrot, cucumber, beetroot. The beauty of these things, you can really play around with them, thin them out, thicken them up, add a few different spices, or the amounts even. But yeah, lovely. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, do all that good stuff on social media for us, stay in contact. Keep well, keep safe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.